Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve a hackaround problem. So basically in Python we are going to solve. Okay, so here's the question. So we need to return, the dot tool returns the dot product of two arrays. So what we are going to do here is we are going to solve this problem and we are going to return the solution. Okay, so the input format is the first line contains the integer n. So first we will import the library. Okay, so numpy, and then what we'll do, first we'll take the input, that is int, then input. Okay, and then what they have said is the next n line contains the n separated integers of array A, and the other next line contains the integers separated of array B. So what we'll do is we will take the input in the form of list. Okay, so map integer format, then input dot split. Okay, and then what we'll do, for in range A. Okay, and then we will copy this for the similar case and we'll paste it for the y, not y directly, we'll paste it and then we will just replace it with y. Okay, so next is we want to print the dot product. So we can print it like this. This is cross product, okay, and this is dot product, but since we want the dot product, we can directly print numpy dot of x comma y. So let's see whether this works. Okay, so if I hit run code, okay, it says congratulations, you have passed the sample test cases. And if I submit the code, one test case is pending. Yeah, so all the test cases have been passed. So in this way you can solve this problem. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video. If you do hit the subscribe button, and until then, take care, bye bye.